Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Whirlpool washer drive belt. It's going to be a very easy repair and it'll only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open the package, you're going to get the new drive belt. The drive belt goes in between the motor pulley and the gear case to drive the tub. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's starting to fail and making noise, or it's totally failed and the washer's not spinning or agitating. In order to change the drive belt, we have to tilt the washer back a little bit. We're not going to lay it all the way down. If you have to, you can put a towel across the back so you don't scratch the wall when you lean it back. Once you're ready, you can carefully lean it back so we can get it underneath. Now that we have the washer tilted back, we have access to the belt. It's located right behind this cover. There's a couple 5/16 inch screws that we have to take out. We're going to use a 5/16 inch nut driver to take them out. Once you have the screws out, we can pull the cover off and set it aside. Now that we have the cover off, we can take the drive belt off. It's just a smooth pulley on the gear case, so we're just going to pull down here on the belt while turning it to get it to come off. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the motor pulley and off the machine. Here's the old drive belt next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Now we can put the new drive belt on. Just want to put it around the motor pulley and make sure it goes down into the grooves. And then we're going to stretch it around the gear case pulley. You want to hold it here while you turn it. It's going to be a little tight because the belt is not stretched out, but just hold it in place and get it around the rest of the pulley. Once you have it on, just follow it around and make sure it didn't come out of the motor pulley. Once you have the belt on and centered, you can put the cover back on. There's a little locating pin that goes up into the gear case. So you just need to lift it up, slide it in. Once you have it in place, we can use the 5/16 inch nut driver to put in the screws. Once you have the screws in, we can put the washer back on its feet. All you have to do is carefully set it up on its feet. Then you can plug it back in and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.